You probably just finished a term or a semester and you're thinking, oh wait, I actually need to be productive this holiday because last term didn't go the way I wanted it to be. I know studying during the holidays can be so dragging because you're thinking, I've just went through a hectic time right now, I need to rest. But at the back of your head, you know that you need to be working 2 times harder. Hi everyone, my name is Andiswa, a UCT medical student, and I'm here to share with you the tips and tricks on how to stay productive during your school holidays. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching one of my videos once again. And if you are new here, welcome. I hope you just stay and become a part of my journey as I become Dr. Andy. So school holidays for me has been the time to catch up on my work if I was behind, complete assignments that I didn't get to complete last term, and to start studying for the following term. So I spent 80% of my holidays literally doing my schoolwork, even in high school. That is how I managed to get good results. So usually after we finish a term, our body literally just get into a state where it is so relaxed, you are so lazy, you barely want to do anything. Maybe you're exhausted from the exams that you've just written, or your mindset is just telling you that this is the time to relax and play around. Even though resting is so important, school holidays can literally improve your academic performance if you work through them. So let's talk about how to actually stay productive during your school holidays. The first thing you're gonna do is write down all the stuff that you'd like to do. At the back of your mind, you know that assignment that you didn't get to complete from the previous term. You know the topics that you didn't get time to go through. You know the past papers that you didn't get time to do. So after you've set your goals of all the things that you want to do and achieve during the holidays, you want to set your routine. Here are the 3 types of routines that you can follow in order for you to be productive. The first one is doing work on alternative days. For example, you can set Monday to do your work and Tuesday you do not do any work at all. Wednesday to do your work, and then Thursday you do not do any work at all, in that order. That gives you time to rest and do other activities that make you feel relaxed, but also you keep on being productive. The second routine that you can follow is study every day or do work every day, but end your day early. So let's say you want to start your day at 9 a.m. but by 2 p.m. you are done, and then after that you can just spend your time doing whatever you want and relaxing. You can also set these hours to be during the night if that's what you prefer. The third routine that you can follow is completely taking some time off at the beginning of your school holidays and only be productive towards the end of your school holidays. For example, if your school holidays are 3 weeks long, take the first week off. Don't think about books, don't look at them, and then work through the last 2 weeks. This is another method that you can use if you have been so exhausted from your previous term and you cannot look at books for the next couple of days. You can take the first week off and then be productive the last 2 weeks. You need to be able to balance productivity and rest during your school holidays so that you still have the good energy to start your new term. So the next thing you want to do is to set an adjusted daily routine. You know, during your school term, you have a certain routine that you follow. For example, waking up at 6, going to school, sports after school, dinner at 7, studying afterwards, and then sleeping at 11. And when it is school holidays, you kind of lose that routine because now you can wake up whenever you want to. You don't have to go to classes anymore. You can eat whenever you want to. You can just do whatever you want. So what you want to do is create that routine back. Create that environment where your mind is supposed to be doing things. And that is what I call an adjusted daily routine. So you have to set the time that you want to wake up. It can either be 7, or you want to wake up at 9, or you want to wake up at 11. It is totally up to you, but you have to set a certain time at which you're going to wake up. And after that, you're going to set a certain time at which you want to do every other activities like breakfast, chores, social activities, when you want to study, and when exactly you are going to sleep. This routine doesn't have to follow the exact one that you have during your school term, but at least have a certain routine that you're going to follow during your school holidays. So having a set routine gives you so much discipline, and it programs your mind into knowing that this hour we are preparing to study, this hour this is what we are doing. So basically when you wake up in the morning, already you have a day set up for you, and you just have to follow through the day. Because the biggest challenge when it comes to school holidays, if you do not have a routine, is that some days you will just wake up at 11 a.m. and then sit around, watch TV, start eating maybe at 2 p.m. and then now you decide, oh, at 6 p.m. and I haven't touched my books, and it's already halfway through my school holidays. So in order for you to prevent procrastinating as well, set a set routine when you're gonna wake up in the morning, when you're gonna eat, when you're gonna rest, when you're gonna spend time doing other stuff as well, and when you're going to do your work. Here is a practical example of what we've just talked about in this video. Firstly, decide on the study routine that you're going to follow by deciding how many days you want to work during the week. In this example, this person decided to work on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and take Friday and Sunday off. And then you must have a routine. This person decided to wake up at 9 a.m. every day, eat breakfast at 10:30, and have dinner at 7. You also have to decide when exactly you are going to do your work. So you have to plan your day ahead. So you need to take the list of things that you said you want to do this holiday and assign a couple of stuff for each day. For example, this person decided that they want to do literature, therefore they're going to do it on Monday, and then they're going to do maths on Tuesday, physics on Wednesday and Thursday, and geography on Thursday as well, and then Saturday they're going to do biology. You also need to be specific as to what exactly you are going to do for that subject, or what exactly are you trying to achieve. Planning your days like this beforehand prevents procrastination and allows you to be productive at a maximum without having to spend time to think about what exactly you are going to study for this day. So we've come to the end of the video. I am wishing you productive school holidays. I'll be posting a video on how to start preparing for your second term. Make sure that you've subscribed to my YouTube channel and you've turned your notifications on so that you do not miss that video. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!